Like many woodworkers, I have a lot of rough lumber that needs processed into usable lumber, but I don't have all the tools that I need to do that processing. So here's how I solved that problem. The first thing I did was attach my wheels with some pieces of angle iron. What you want to make sure of is that your wheels are aligned with each other so your band stays on. So I put my band on, and then I inflated the tires on my wheels to put pressure on the band. With just the angle iron, there's a lot of flex. It can twist a lot. So now I'm going to reinforce to square it up. Now I've reinforced the angle iron with some 2x4s so I don't have that twist that I had before. Now I've added a base to it so it's freestanding. Using some ball bearings, I created some blade guides so that the blade is supported and will not push off the wheels while cutting. I added a 15-inch sprocket to slow the blade speed down to a safe speed. I added a method of fine-tuning the alignment of the wheels. And finally, I added a table and made sure the table was square to the blade.